Hi guys, it's Tanya and welcome to my channel, and for today I want to talk to you about 5 simple ways to make money in Jamaica. Now, Jamaicans are always contemplating or thinking what it is that I am going to do to make some money on the side. So after listening and speaking with others, calling decision to talk about 5 simple and easy ways to make money in Jamaica. Here they are. Now, you are going to lend small amount of money for interest. Now you're going to lend your friend, your close family members, whoever it is that you associate yourself with, and you know that they're trustworthy, you know that you can lend them your money. Well, you can consider them to be a part of this. Lending money is a very quick and easy way to make money in Jamaica. As long as you're collecting the interest that you have placed on the promissory note or on the form that you have committed for that person to pay you back. So the first thing you have to ensure is that the person signs the loan agreement or the promissory note that you have prepared for the person you're going to lend your money to. On the promissory note, you're going to specify you need back your money within 1 week, within 2 weeks, 5% they should give you back. For example, you are going to loan somebody who is working your money, right? They need 2,000 Jamaican dollars. Now it is up to you to make a decision whether or not, when they're giving you back that money within 2 weeks, if you're going to ask for 5% or 10% on the money that has been loaned to you. Now this is a very quick and easy way to make money in Jamaica. Once you know that you will loan the money to somebody who is working, who is trustworthy, persons who you know that you will get your money from at the agreed time that the money is set to come in. But this is a very good way of making money. So always remember though, before you lend this money, it is very good that you have a great conversation with the borrower. So that is a person who you're going to lend the money to. So you have to discuss with the person just to get a feel of the person as to who it is that you're going to loan the money to, if it's a good investment, or that person will give you back the money that is required. So you now need to do your research on that person, but remember to stick to family members, friends, or by recommendation, with the hope that the person will pay you back within 1 week or 2 weeks. It is up to you if you want to give them up to a month. But if you're going to give them up to a month, you would have to know the amount of money that you're going to make back on that money that you have loan out to the person. So it's all up to you and the borrower, but ensure that the borrower signed the promissory note or the loan agreement that you have created between both persons, so that at the end of the day you can get back your money, whether through court, through police, or how it is that you choose to get it back. But it is a very quick way. Once a person that you have selected, you know in your mind that they will give you back that. Now, the second way to make some very quick cash or easy money in Jamaica is you can rent your car or your house. Yes, if you want to make some very quick cash in Jamaica and you have your car, you can rent it. You can rent your car, or you can rent your home if your home is there locked up for a period of time, and you're really, if it's a case where you need that money to come in, this is a great idea, where you're sure that every fortnight or with the car daily, 5,000 per day or so on. That is Jamaican dollars, not US, right? So if you want to be sure, if you want that money, you can do this, renting the car or the home that you live in, right? Now, this normally also goes for persons who work, and you have your car and you park the car for the entire day, but yet still when you work, you're not earning a good enough amount of money that you need to go on each day. So what it is that you're going to do is, since the car is parked night and day, what you can do is to rent out the car. Find out the necessary arrangements that you need to be done with the government to start renting your car. And then when you rent the car, you can see how very much this small amount of money that you are getting daily, to see how much it can help you to get by if you're really in some deep financial difficulties and you don't know how to get out of it, right? And it is the same process in renting a home. You have the house, it's locked up. You have one section of the home that is not being used. What you can do is to probably refurbish, lock off that section, or if it's already sectionalized if it is already sectionalized, what you can do is to ensure that you made the necessary arrangements as to the renting, and that extra money will be beneficial. Number 3 is you can make money selling fruits and vegetables or ground provision. So you can make money selling fruits and vegetables. And when I say fruits and vegetables and ground provision, all of you know what me I talk about. Ground provision, yam, banana, dasheen, all of that, we're growing at the ground, right? You can make money, quick cash in Jamaica by simple selling fruits and vegetables and ground provision, right? So selling produce in Jamaica is very easy to market. It is very easy to market. And if to make this work in a rural area, or it doesn't matter whether it's rural or urban, but you're in an area that is populated and it has a lot of people, enough people there, what you can do is to simply set up a stand in that area and have your fruits and your vegetables and your ground provision, and they will sell, because fruits and vegetables are always wanted in Jamaica. Persons are eating healthier nowadays, less rice and so on, so it will work out. Another way to make this work is that what you can do is that you can go into the communities. So you have a van or you rent a van. So with the van, you can load up your produce, your banana, your yam and your dasheen, and when you go into the community, all you have to say is just say food man or what, just give a shout out, and you're so surprised to see the amount of persons to come and to see what you have on sale. So you know can sell ground provision, and that way that will help you to bring in some extra quick cash in Jamaica, right? And you can do it on the side. So if you work Monday to Fridays, what you can do on a Saturday, since you're at home and most times you run into some financial difficulties, you can just find a way to sell the fruits and the vegetables and the ground provision by going into communities and and see how best it will work out. So that is another way to make some very quick cash in Jamaica. All right, okay, so number 4 is and I'm laughing, and the reason why I'm laughing is because when I say it, I want people to really understand when I explain the process of doing this one. So number 4 is sell CDs or movies. Yes, if you sell CDs or movies in Jamaica, it's a very quick way to make money. But please don't do it illegally. Find out the proper channel on how to sell them legally, right? Converse with the lawyer, police, whoever it is that will give, or the government that will give, whoever it is from the government that will give the instruction or the direction as to how to legalize selling your CDs and your DVDs. But when doing this, it is a very quick way to make money in Jamaica, right? So let us talk about it. In the rural areas, there is a lot of persons with still with CDs, still with DVDs and what you call it, CD player, and especially the persons who drive. So you will have a driver like myself, and if I see the CD man on the road, I will definitely ask him for the music that I want, whether it be some African music, African gospel. I love African gospel, or whether it be some hardcore reggae, or you know. And I normally purchase these CDs because it's so easier to purchase for me. So it will be the same cases for the taxi drivers, for the bus drivers, for teachers, working persons. They will purchase. So that is a good way to make some quick and easy cash. As for the movies, a lot of persons still have DVDs, especially in rural areas where they don't have the cable that gives them access to the internet. And what else I don't have access? Just the internet where they will access YouTube and any other areas. So it would be good for you to purchase it would be good for you to sell the DVDs and the CDs, and this will generate some very quick and easy cash for you to assist with your financial situation that you might be. Now, the fifth way that you can make some very easy cash in Jamaica is you can do a second job, or you can do overtime. What you can do, yes, a second job. So if you're working, you can find out other places that hire persons in the night if you work in the day. And if you work in the night, you can walk around, find out places that hire persons during the day, and then you can have this second job to generate some other form of income in Jamaica. With the overtime, what you can do is converse with your boss or your supervisor at your workplace just to find out if they have an overtime policy, because it will give you the opportunity to work overtime so that you can get a little additional money on the money that you're getting, right? And when you get this job, you just ensure that you make time to arrive early. Remember, you will be working 2 jobs now, so you have to be on time. You have to be punctual. You have to treat the job as if it is your first best, and you have to ensure that you're dedicated to this job, because if they realize that you're not dedicated, what will happen is that you will lose the opportunity in working. And yeah, all you have to do is just love what you do. But guess what, there are so many more ways where you can make easy and quick cash in Jamaica. Remember that you can always send me an email, and if this is your first time watching, please subscribe and leave your comments below. Also, just share with me, share some very quick and easy ways to make money in Jamaica. All right, yeah man, thanks for watching. Little more. Bye.